Hey guys, Martin here with UTV Stereo. I want to show you why the UTV Stereo 55 amp power pack is the absolute best choice to charge your vehicle's batteries. These power packs are loaded with features. When compared to our single or dual bank chargers, they offer so much more. Let's jump right into the unique characteristics of the power pack. First, they can provide 55 amps of power to your vehicle's battery system. What does that mean exactly? Well, two things. First, it means that you can fully charge your battery faster and stronger. Second, and most important, you can supply endless power to your vehicle. This means you can run your audio system, lighting, and other type of aftermarket accessories for as long as you want, and to their full potential. And the best part is that you will be charging the battery at the same time. Think of the power pack as an alternator, effectively charging, supplying, and maintaining your battery. The power pack is digitally controlled by 3 different stages to cover every situation your battery may require. Stage 1, supply mode. Providing 14.4 volts, this provides a high amperage load for charging and running all your electronics without draining your battery, just as if you were running off an alternator. Stage 2, maintain mode. Providing 12.6 volts, similar to our single or dual bank chargers used to charge and maintain your battery. Stage 3, shutdown mode. Once your battery is fully charged, the power pack will shut down to prevent overcharge or damage. From there, it will continue to monitor voltage and begin charging as needed. Now, depending on your vehicle, may be equipped with a stator-driven charging system, and maybe you have ran out of voltage because your aftermarket accessories have overloaded the output of your vehicle stator. Maybe you've seen some voltage drops causing your lights to dim or your audio system not functioning at its full potential. This is where the power pack saves the day. After a long ride, your car may be running, but your battery capacity may be rock bottom. Simply plug in the power pack, crank up the tunes, and in no time, you're fully charged and ready for your next ride. The power pack is a plug-and-play option that is maintenance-free. Literally plug it in and you'll know that you're getting voltage on demand and charging your batteries to their full potential. The system includes a braided aluminum harness system with a high current 2-pin connector, making it easy to connect and disconnect your vehicle. Simply connect the car side harness directly to the vehicle's battery terminals, then mount the connector into your accessible location for easy access. After that, simply plug the power pack into the 120 volt outlet and connect your car. It's that simple. You may be wondering if the power pack is something you want or need, right? Well, let me give you some background on when and where the idea of the power pack was born. It all started with our Polaris RZR back in 2015 out in Glamis, California. We had a built, fully customized ride with tons of lights, aftermarket electronics, and of course, a massive sound system. Even with the dual AGM battery installed, we found that after hours of riding, the RZR's charging system was struggling to keep up. We still had a few days of riding ahead of us, and we wanted to make sure that we maintained maximum voltage. When we arrived back at camp, we wanted the ability to keep the lights on and the music playing without killing the batteries. We knew that the standard battery charger would just take hours, if not days, to fully charge the AGM batteries. That's when the power pack was born. We developed the power pack to officially supply and charge the car while parked at camp. We could now connect the power pack, crank the tunes, leave the rock lights and whips on, all while charging the batteries. It was a home run, and just an hour later, we were fully charged and ready to hit our next ride. Keep in mind that the power pack functions in similar ways as a standard battery charger. However, it provides 55 amps versus 0.75 amps that is found on a typical trickle charger. It has all the same characteristics of a smart charger as well, meaning you can utilize the power pack to maintain your batteries while the vehicle is in storage. Overall, the power pack is the best choice for a battery charger, no matter what the situation is. Make sure to check out all UTV Stereo Platinum Series AGM batteries and accessories, along with the big battery upgrade and second battery kits to keep your voltage at its very best in your side-by-side. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, follow us on Facebook and Instagram to see all of our innovative products built specifically for your UTV.